Yeah, we're gonna send one. Here we go. Oh yeah. What's going on, everybody? SRTA Boost here. I'm out in the Ram GT. So as you know, I did the release video, finally the release video for the new vehicle that I just got. Anyways, I once again love this truck. Just love taking it out. I've never had a pickup truck where I could just, jump in it and have fun. Like, just go for a rip. You want to hammer it. It's good. It's got power, right? As I explained the last time we were in the truck. Anyways, do I need to stop it? No, look at that. It's gonna turn. Perfect. Anyways, so yeah, I said, why not? I'm gonna go out again, and I'll take you guys with me. So I'm just kind of out like in the country, I guess we're gonna call it. Once again, as what I always complain about, there's not that much traffic up here, so it's a lot better. So especially for filming too. I mean, you get like lots of nice scenery. Look at that, nice mountainous views. That's pretty sweet. I mean, I'd kind of love to hammer it down this hill, but I'll probably squeeze one in. Fuck it, let's go! Love the sound of this truck. It's gonna sound a lot better when I put some stainless works, long tube headers, and dual exhaust from those bad boys. I don't care what anybody says, man. They sound the best. The red line, whoo! Can't wait. Can't wait. This truck deserves it. Anyway. Yeah, these Ram GTs, man. That's cool. If you guys are looking for a truck and it pops up, jump on it. Just nope, don't even think about it. Just go, just grab it, and you will be so happy. So, that was an odd place for a house. It's just like, you think it'd have like the whole corner over there or something, no? I don't like that though. See how the power lines, I don't know if you guys can make those out or not, but yeah. Well, my father always said, it's probably not a good idea to have power lines over your house. And honestly, way back in my ghost hunter days and stuff, you put like a gauze meter or EMF detector or whatever underneath those things. You should see the microwaves and the frequencies coming off of that, man. It cannot be good for you. It cannot be good for you. That's how you grow a third arm or a third eye, or yeah, all kinds of fun things. So, oh, there's a Durango. I also really like the 22-inch rims that this truck came with. They're gorgeous. I've again never had 22-inch rims before, and the ride is wonderful. Just like it's like you're kind of just going over glass. I don't know. I can't really explain it. So sport suspension's really nice too. It's it is a little bit stiff, but I mean it's to the point. When you honk on it, it keeps you where you're supposed to be, right? Versus like my old Laramie truck, it was like the Ram Laramie. It was like yes, it was a lot smoother going over bumps and whatnot, but that thing, like, when you hammered it, it was like you could feel everything kind of go up, you know. It wasn't made for that, right? So, yeah. My buddy Nick and my at Nick Full Throttle and my brother Neek's TV, they're like, yeah, you should slam the truck. I don't know, it's something about a big full-size pickup truck that's slammed. I don't know if I could do it. Like, maybe bags, because if I want it up high, I can have it up high, or, you know, at least in a raked position like how it is. And if I want it dumped, I mean, I guess I can dump it, right? So, anyway, I just figured, so just do some back roads, and maybe we can even jump on the highway. I think that would be fun. So, do like a highway drive. Goddamn. Luckily, the highway's right here. Right over there. So, that should be fun. Especially at this time, there's not usually too many people on the road, so... Well, up these ways. You know, until you get closer to my area, it's... Yeah. Well, you guys all know how that is. I've dragged you through that enough times. It's basically me talking the whole time, and we're not even moving. I'm glad you found me entertaining, though. That's kind of a good thing. Those videos got some good views. So... Alright, here we go. Maybe we can send one as soon as we get on the straight here. Yeah, we're gonna send one. Here we go. Oh yeah. Sounds great. Oh, ran out of road. Here we go. Let's hop on over. Oh, the HOV lane just ended. Everybody's driving nice and slow where the fast lane is. I'm not even surprised. So although this thing hauls ass, I mean, for maneuverability, we're gonna call it, like on the highway, when you're having some fun, it's so the Durango was I would say that one was better in the sense because it obviously the 392 it had a little bit more jam up top, right? But the overall wheelbase, like, it was a lot shorter than the Ram. So when you want to, you know, merge and squeak in front of somebody, it was a lot more simplified. This truck obviously being, you know, I'm pretty certain it's roughly about 19 feet long, and it's, you know, you gotta make sure you're a little bit past the person you're gonna be passing, otherwise you're gonna kiss his bumper. Yeah, but still fun on the highway. When you want it to go, it goes, right? So, guy was like, yeah. The other Ram guys know. They know the GT. They know it. Oh, man. That's a low-ass speed. Fun to drive. Like, all in all, besides the suede interior that was inside the Durango, like, aesthetically speaking, I feel like this truck is actually nicer than what the Durango is. And the best part is you're paying more for the Durango, but your interior look is, it's, you know what, it was a nice truck, but it wasn't like, you know, a Mercedes or like, you know, something extravagant like that. So you know, you're going apples to oranges here, where it's like, so like the RT version versus the SRT version of the Durango, like the interior is almost exactly the same. You know, I'm pretty sure I had said this in one of my other videos where I just, okay, yeah, the motor, all right, cool. Maybe the suspension, and you get some sport mode and track mode and all that crap. But I mean, other than that, there's nothing on the exterior that made it look different from, let's say, the RT or the GT style. Like, you didn't have anything like that. So, but versus what this is, like, there is big differences. You know, you got your paddle shifters here, you got your actual shifter, which the last video I made, I was explaining about how much I love that. The hand is always on it. Friggin' awesome. And, you know, you get all the beautiful leather and everything in this truck. Like, you know, it's awesome. It's great. It's great that they made it different, right? So, but now TRX guys are going to say, well, you're technically copying that truck. So, in a way, I get it, but it's not like the outside of a TRX. You have that wide body on it. You have, you know, a different style of rim. You don't have the 22 like I have, right? Oh, I forgot to mention, this is also a night edition. So, like, outside all the, as you saw in the previous video, it was like, everything's blackout, right? So, anyway, so, no, they're not the same. Yes, I got the shifter. All right, cool. I'm pretty sure that the TRX has that, and I have their seats and paddle shifters. That's about it. So, you know, I guess I can throw that one out the window then. Because, like, side by side, they look completely different, right? Versus the Durango SRT and RT. Even the Hellcat on the outside looks exactly the same. The Hellcat Durango. Right? Like, if they slapped, like, you know, a full-on wide body kit like they did with the like the Demon Challenger and the Hellcat Challenger and all that, like, okay, cool, now we're talking, right? That would be sweet. But they didn't. So that kind of pissed me off about that vehicle. So, like, the only way you'd know is if you saw the SRT on the side and on the front grille, and on the sides it'd show you 392, right? That's the only way you know. Oh, we're gonna do a nice big pack of bullshit here. Nice big pack of bullshit. You know, a couple of assholes. Oh, it's probably because of the cop there. This is a really good hiding spot. I don't know if you guys saw that. It was a white Charger off on the left. It's like, yes, I totally cannot see you there. You're just sticking out like a sore thumb. So don't be suspicious. And now I'm stuck behind the fuck's sakes. Alright. Anyway, guys, you know what? I was going to end it here, well, shortly here anyway, but just go for a cruise alone. Unfortunately, I took you guys halfway with me, but you know, get some me time too. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And I hope I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Anyways, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.